Hi, I'm Dr. Angeline. I'm an aesthetic physician. Clinic. A new clinic lah. Today, I'm here to answer the 10 top Google questions about collagen. What is collagen? Collagen is made out of protein. It is not just on the skin, it is also in our bones, joints, ligaments, and in our organs. What is collagen on our skin for? Collagen is a support system, a support matrix for the skin. And we do have two types of collagen. We have collagen type 1 and we have collagen type 3. Collagen type 1 comprises about 80% of the collagen on our skin. Collagen type 3 comprises about 15 to 20% of collagen on our skin. And as we age, the collagen levels decline. We peak from the age of 25 to 34, and from then onwards, it declines. The second question, why does collagen production decrease as I age? So this, my friends, we call it skin aging, and we do have two different types of factors that influence skin aging. One is the intrinsic factor and one is the extrinsic factor. So intrinsic factor is possibly the genetics. So some people age faster than others. We also have to rely on the hormone levels. So post-menopausal women, hormone levels decline. Collagen synthesis also decline as we age. And also you do have your immune system reduce immunity level. This will also affect the inflammation in our body, and from then on, collagen synthesis also will be affected. What about our extrinsic factors? Extrinsic factors are lifestyle choices, like the food that we eat, smoking, environmental factors, even traveling can affect our collagen levels. What foods boost collagen production naturally? We call these superfoods. So what are in superfoods? We are looking for things that are high in vitamin C, are high in antioxidants, and also high in protein. Best kind of food are things like berries, nuts, even very fatty fishes like salmon, mackerels, as well as good proteins like eggs do have good amount of amino acids in them, which are good structural support for the protein that we're going to make for collagen synthesis. What are the most effective non-invasive treatments to stimulate collagen? Oh, this is my favorite questions. There are so many different types of treatments in the market. We like to go on not just on brands, but we have to talk about the type of treatments that we do. So basically, we'll divide it into non-invasive treatments and minimally invasive treatments. So what is the difference? Non-invasive treatments do not breach the skin surface. Minimally invasive treatments are things that use small, tiny needles to actually breach the surface. So non-invasive treatments, you're looking at things like laser resurfacing, low-level light therapy, chemical peel resurfacing, injectable treatments with microneedling treatments. Small, tiny needles. We can also introduce things like skin boosters or biostimulators to actually stimulate collagen production. And always remember to know your products, because if you don't know your product and you don't know what's going into your skin or what's being done to your skin, then there will be adverse effects to it. Okay. A very typical question that I always get amongst my patients: are collagen supplements worth it? There have been multiple publications on collagen supplements to prove whether they are actually useful for the skin. Over the course of the last 10 years, I think there are over 30 studies going on collagen supplements. And yes, they are worth it, but not all collagen supplements are the same. So the studies that were done based on some collagen supplements prove that they have increased elasticity as well as hydration on the skin. But remember, not all collagen supplements are the same. What is the best skincare routine to stimulate collagen? Yes, this is a very good question. So basically, there are a lot of ingredients in skincare that actually help to support the collagen that you have in the skin and also to stimulate new collagen in the skin. We are looking at retinol. So retinol is actually a derivative of vitamin A. It helps to increase cell turnover and enhance collagen production. We are also looking at things like peptides. Peptides are also good stimulants for collagen production. There are also some products that contain things like vitamin 3 derivatives like niacinamide, which also helps to reduce inflammation and in turn increase collagen production. And there are also a lot of very good products like stem cell products that are actually healthy for the skin, and along the way it actually also stimulates collagen production. Does collagen from bone broth actually improve my skin's collagen? This is a very, very interesting question I usually get from bodybuilders. They want to try to improve their diet by introducing as many types of collagen into their skin because, as we know, muscle also contains collagen. So you can have a lot of different types of bone broths, but in the recent studies that I've read, there's many different things that can affect the end product of the collagen that you're drinking, which we are looking at the type of bones that you use, the heat, the temperature, the duration of how long you are actually boiling these broths. So in general, it is quite tricky to say whether it works or not. Maybe sometimes it does, maybe in the long run it does, but there's no scientific study that can prove this. Okay, does face yoga help to stimulate collagen? This is a very, very interesting question. Unfortunately not. Okay, there was a study in JAMA Dermatology in 2017 and it stated that they use around 30 patients to actually do face yoga, which is movements of small muscles of the face, around 30 exercises a day for a course of 5 months. They do it every day and they found out that there was a bit of fullness in the face. So generally, if you stimulate your muscles, you are going to improve muscle tone on the face, but it doesn't really stimulate collagen. It basically just improves your muscle tone. So the answer is no. Are there any safe products we can inject into the skin to stimulate new collagen? This is my favorite topic. I love injectables for the face when it comes to stimulating new collagen. But remember, there's so many products out there. We need to differentiate and find out which works for us. And that's where you come in for a consultation to see what's best. But proven and safe methods, things like polylactic acid, you're looking at poly-D-lactic acid, you're looking at polycaprolactone, polynucleotides. These are all good products. I won't mention names and brands, but there are a lot of popular brands and names that are FDA approved for biostimulation and collagen production. Okay, and lastly, are there any activities that I should avoid to reduce collagen breakdown? Everyone wants to stay young, and I think as an aesthetic doctor, generally I'm also a doctor, I always encourage moderation and a healthy lifestyle. So eat well, eat things that are high in proteins, amino acids, good antioxidants, try not to smoke or vape, sleep well, and I think over the long run, of course, don't forget, drink enough water every day, and over the long course of time you will see that your skin will get healthier over time. Okay, that's all about collagen, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Angeline from Neu Clinic. You can visit our website at newclinic.my. So don't Google everything, don't chat GPT everything, because they don't provide the answers and the solutions you need. See you next time.